Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Afner, and today we're going to be learning about how to create a top level. So we're gonna now do a question. So before that, what's a top level? A top level is like to create a two windows. So if on the old window we have a button, and we press that button, it makes another window. Okay. So we're gonna do a project, okay? I mean not a project, but a question about create a window and create two buttons over that window, login and sign up. Those are the two buttons, login and sign up. So import thing to STK, thing to import message box, and from thing to import top level. Okay? So let me think here. From this part okay, because that's easy for you. What else? Go down. These parts, right? This part, okay? It's just these two functions. Define, create a sign up window and login window. Let's first start with the login window. So we have to make the global entry one and entry two. So entry one's over here, and the second entry, which is entry two, is over here. We have to make them global because right now it's not global. So that's why here we're making them global. Now window two, we create a new window equals the top level window. Then window.title and then add the widgets, right? Not widgets. So window2.title, window2.geometry, make the label login page and then pack it and put some padY 10. Make another label, which is a name, and then the packet with padY is 10 again, okay? Then entry one, we have to write our name on the window too. Then we have the packet, padY is the same, and then same thing here, label, but this time we have to enter our email, padY is the same, and right on this entry we're gonna write the email. Then we pack it, and the padY is the same, it's 10. Now you have to make a button, submit, command equals to verify, which was down over here from line 43 to 46. But I think you know that function verify, so that's nothing for you. Button.pack padY equals to 10, button 1.tk.button, we make a text close. So when we close it, that window's gonna go away. Here, submit, the message box is gonna be popping up, writing our data. Then command equals to window2.destroy. Then pack that button. Now for sign up window, we have to make the entry 3 and entry 4 global because they're not global. They're local, but now we have to make them global. Window 3 equals the top level, and the title is the login window, okay? I know it's supposed to be sign up window, right? We just copy this. So it's a sign up page, and then the address, right? Which is a label, then write the entry for the address. And after doing that, padY equals to 10, label company, packet, and then we have to write the company name over here, then make the button submit, so the message box shows our data. And then after that, button 1, tk.button window 3, comma text equals close. We have to, so that window is gonna close. I'll show you it as I have refresh connection. Yeah, good. So if you guys can see here close, Windows close. You have to run again. I forgot to tell you that too. Okay? Oh, here. No, what do we do? This output. It's stop. Run. Oh, where's the output? Oh, God. I don't need that. I need an output. It's output. Yeah, good. So login. All right? a@gmail.com. Submit. See? And it goes back to that window. Now close, goes back to the old window. Sign up. Company. You haven't made a message box, but you close the window. The message box I'll show you later, okay? On my next video, probably. Okay, so thank everyone for listening about how to do a top level and what's that. And we made a question on that. All we have to do is just a sign up page, show the message box. And I think you know that's easy, right? It's easy. It's just how we did it in the login window, right? And that's all we have to do, okay? That I'll show you that in my next video, okay? I hope you like it and bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.